Packing for a trip as a senior can be made easy and stress-free. Here's a list of essentials and practical tips to ensure a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable journey. 1. Organizing health essentials. Medications. Pack an adequate supply of all medication prescriptions, plus a few extras in case of delays. Use a pill organizer to stay on schedule. Travel health kit. Pain relievers and acids, first aid supplies, and specific personal medication aids, like maybe a blood pressure monitor. Medical documentation. Bring a list of medications, health conditions, and emergency contacts. Also carry copies of any prescriptions and insurance card. 2. Important documents and travel essentials. Travel insurance, especially vital for international trips, ensuring coverage for medical emergencies and cancellations. ID and passport. Keep physical and digital copies of your ID, passport, and other important documentations. A travel organizer, passport wallet can help everything stay together. Contact information. Make a list of emergency contacts and important phone numbers, including embassies, doctors, and family. Clothing and comfort. Number 3, comfortable clothing. Choose lightweight, comfortable clothing that's easy to layer, like this, as well as wrinkle resistant if possible. Wear appropriate outerwear. Include a rain jacket or a warm sweater, depending on the destination. Consider packable options for easier travel. Supportive footwear. Opt for comfortable walking shoes and pack extra socks. Wearing compression socks can also be helpful on long flights. Number 4, travel accessories for convenience. Mobility aids if needed. Pack a folding cane or walking stick. Check that it's compliant with travel guidelines if flying. Also, portable chargers and tech accessories. Bring chargers, adapters, backup batteries for your phone and other devices to ensure connectivity. Packing aids. Use packing cubes or Ziploc bags to stay organized, especially for smaller items. Consider a travel pillow for comfort on long journeys. And 5, snacks and hydration. So healthy snacks. Pack easy to carry nutritious snacks like trail mix, dried fruit, or granola bars for quick energy boosts. And reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated by carrying a lightweight refillable water bottle, especially for warm destinations. Number 6, safety and security. Money belt or anti-theft bag. Keep valuables safe with an anti-theft crossbody bag or a money belt. And a portable lock. A small TSA-approved lock can provide extra security for your bags. Identification and tracking. Consider adding ID tags to all your bags if possible, and a tracking device like a tile or an air tag for easy locating. And make sure to remove all old label stickers from your luggage. Your luggage could end up at a previous destination. Number 7, entertainment. Reading materials, pack ebooks, books, magazines, and entertainment apps. Maybe download a movie or some music or a game on your device before you travel. Then essential comforts. Consider items like a small blanket or an eye mask or noise-canceling headphones for flights or overnight stays. And finally, number 8, make sure that you are checking to make sure you have everything that you need. If you have heavy baggage, make sure it has wheels and easy to carry, or you're using a backpack, okay? Check destination requirements. Research any specific requirements for power adapters and stuff like that, all right? And then double check your essentials. Before leaving, ensure you have all your medications and all your documents and comfort items. Also that they are accessible in spots in your carry-on. but keep copies of documentation in a separate place, okay? In case one is lost, then you still have the other. So I think that would suit you very, very well. So these are just a few tips. Please like and remember, be brave, be strong, and love endlessly. Bye for now. Happy traveling.